Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make chocolate the Haitian way. So I have some boiling water here. You have to turn this mass into like a fine powder like this and boil it. So in here I have some cinnamon sticks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really good. They're from Haiti and it has a lot of great flavor. So again, all you have to do is like turn this into a fine powder like this, and then you pour it in the boiling water. I'm gonna put a lot more, but I just wanted to demonstrate like what I was trying to tell you guys. Okay, I know some of you guys are gonna be asking me how much should you put. So you remember how much I started with, and this is how much I have left. So now I'm gonna add some. It has been boiling for about 15 minutes, so now I'm going to add some milk. And then I'm going to add some lime zest. And I'm going to add some nutmeg. And then I'm going to add some butter. I'll say about one, not too much though. But, oops, should have taken some spoon. Ouch. That's about one. Okay, now guys, you're gonna strain those things out of the chocolate, and then we're just gonna pour it right back in this thing here. And also we're gonna add some sugar. Just add sugar to taste. And we're gonna add some vanilla extra. We're just gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and that's it. We have some really good Haitian chocolate. I like to add back the cinnamon sticks, but it's optional.